Today we are going to learn how to enable allow application from anywhere in macOS. You have to start how to enable it so that when you get some application from online, you'll be able to install it in your Mac without problem. So what you have to do is going to command line. You can just go here and type up here and type terminal. Let me use small case. Terminal is already out. Terminal is up. But before I go to enter the terminal, I have to show you that this. Let me go to system preferences. You go back to here. You go to this app, Mac logo. You click system preferences. Now you go to security and privacy here. Click here. Sorry, my Mac is a little bit slow. Now you go to general. Now you can see here apps. Allow apps loading from one app store and identified developers. So anyone that doesn't have identified developers will not work here. It will not be allowed. So the first thing you have to do is you have to enable it, allow here. So that's what we're going to do. You have to let me go back to my command line here. Now I have a code. I will put that code in the description. It's in the description of this video. I will simply press this here and click enter. Control V. Look at the code. Sudo spctl shift and rest of them. Now you just click enter. You enter password. You have to be typing it, but the system is already on. Enter my admin password. Yes. So what I have to do now, I have to go back to this place. Let me close this thing. Let me go back again. You see that it's the same. Look at it now. It's available now. You can store apps from anywhere. Now, in same vein, you can as well, after activating it, if you don't want it to be like this, you can as well deactivate it. So what you have to do is you just going back to this place, and I will put the description of this code in the description of this video. Just simply copy it and paste it. Control V. Now I just remove this particular anywhere back. So this, how to remove it back to become the way it is. Just click enter. When you close this page and come back again, you find out that it's no longer there. So but now you can see it's no longer there, but it's always advisable. I have to deactivate it. I just showing you for teaching sake. So what I have to do next to enable it back, because I wanted it to be enabled. So let me go back and check. Close, go back again. See security and privacy. Now look at it, it's fully back. It's really bad here. Thank you. Please do well to subscribe to my channel in order to encourage me and enable me to do more videos. Please, if you have any difficulties you are facing in Mac and Windows, please put it on the description below so that I'll be able to make a video on it. Thank you very much.